Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about conditional data frame, how we can put condition on data frame. So we are going to use same data frame which we have used in the previous video. So I strongly recommend you to watch that one. So what we did here, like we have imported two libraries and then we have data coming from random and then labels and column, and all three parameters I have passed here in the data frame, and now I have called this data frame and we'll able to see this result. Now let's talk about conditional data frame. So let's say if I put condition on whole data frame, and I will basically get the result in a boolean form. So see, df greater than 0. So whatever condition is matching, then it is returning true, otherwise false. Okay, so I can put this into variable, let's say bool. So see, now let me put bool for result. Okay, now if I want to use my actual data frame, so I can do df and then bool. So see now, so nan is basically not matching. I can say false. So where the nan is coming, that is false, and where the value is coming, that is true. Okay, so we can do this in another way as well. Let's say df and then simply df greater than 0. So see, I'll get the same result. Okay, now let's say if I need to put condition on a specific column, so how will I do? Let's say I have to put on w or x, so how will I do? So let me show you. We'll simply write df and under that we'll choose w and then greater than 0. So see, we have got result false and true format. So in boolean format basically. So greater than 0. So let me first call df so that it would be easy to understand. Okay, now you can compare. Uh, -1 is greater than 0. No, so that's why it is false. So like this, it has checked and provided value. Now let's say if I want to see the value here, so I can put this here in pool call, and then I can use this bool call. I need to run this first, and now I can, okay, and I can put df to see the value. So if I put df, then it will return the only true value. So I will get result bde. So let me put into the another cell so that I can show you. So see, I got result in vde. Okay, I'm looking for my whole df. That's the reason I have get all the data frame values. Let's say if I used to use this in one command, so what I will do, I will type df, and under df I'm looking for df and w greater than 0. See, I've got same result, df w greater than 0. Okay, and let's say I'm looking only few columns, I'm not looking all the columns. So what I can do, I can put, let's say if I'm looking only x, so I can put this x, and see, I have got result for x only. Okay, and if I'm looking multiple columns, so what I can do, square bracket, and I can pass multiple column. See, action. So it would be confusing for beginners because there are lots of bracket and So for that, let me break it down for you. df equals to df w greater than 0, and then I can put this boolean instead of df. Bool 1 equals to this one, and then result equals to df and then bool 1. And if I call result now, I'll able to see all these BDE column. But I'm also looking x by. So what I can do, I can put x by here in the double square bracket, x and y. See, if you're looking to bracket down this result x by as well, so we can do like my call equals to x and y, and in the result we can pass this my call. Let me run this, it will give the same result. Okay, so guys, if you are beginner and not comfortable to put multiple parentheses or multiple square bracket, so initially you can bracket down your code, and later on once you are familiar, then you can use this single liner code. Okay, now let's say if I need to put multiple conditions, so how will I put? So let me first again call df. Okay, and let me use the one liner code again. So what I did, df, and under that df w greater than 0. Okay, and I can run this. Okay, now let's say if I need to use multiple conditions, so how will I do? I can use here and. So and basically is ampersand, and I can copy this same df and I can put, let's say, x greater than 0 as well. I can separate this in the different parentheses. I can separate this condition. So yes, we have this one condition and this another condition. Now if I run this, so see, I'm getting only one row. So like this we can put multiple condition as well. Similarly, if I need to put all, so let me show you another example. So let's say df and then df, let's say x greater than 0, and after that I can put pipe is basically all, and then again df, let's say by greater than 0. Now let me separate this condition using parenthesis, and I can put parenthesis here as well. If I run this, you will be able to see the result. Yeah. So like this, you can do filter. You can basically find out the result as per the requirement. I hope this is helpful. Thank you, everyone.